Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are in 2020 and I wish you a very happy new year. So let's start for the new year's first DIY. I'm going to do a hanging light which is simple, and the last time we had used popsicle sticks to make the wall art which is right behind, and so we are using the same popsicle sticks to do our new DIY which I'm going to show you today. Before getting started with this DIY, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and like this video. So let us begin today's DIY. For this DIY, you will need following materials: popsicle sticks, glue gun, Fevicol, rope, acrylic paint, zip ties, filament holder ceiling lamp. These materials are available in most local stores. I have provided the link of few items in the description below. So guys, let's get started with this DIY. Place the sticks in a hexagon shape and glue them together. Once you have the base ready, keep adding sticks to this hexagon until you reach the desired height. You can also use Fevicol to join the popsicle sticks together. Now, instead of one stick, we will use 4 and paste them on each other. This helps to create big gaps for the light to pass through. For the next step, we will again alternate using single sticks. Now, you have to paste the sticks a little towards the center. This will give a nice shape to the lantern. You can make various designs and changes to this lantern. Now it is time to paint using acrylic colors. You can also keep it as it is to give a natural look. I preferred painting it. After the paint dries, we are going to tie the rope to attach the hanging light to the lantern in the center. We will secure everything using zip tie. Now it is time to install. I called my electrician for this job as it can get risky to play with the cords. Now it's time for the final reveal. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful, isn't it? I loved how this DIY turned out. I think you guys should try it at home and I'm sure you will love it. Thanks to all of you for watching this video and a very happy new year to you once again. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and please share it with your friends. Bye. See you soon.